Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on Chasing Spirits UK. And we were supposed to go to a location but we can't get to it, so we have, well, I say we, I'm with Luke from Luke to Explore. He's right there.
Hey guys, hello.
Go subscribe to his channel. We've brought you one reason here, because there's like a river reservoir where people used to go fishing, and apparently there was someone who either drowned or had a heart attack whilst fishing. And obviously there's possibly other stuff here, obviously due to the land itself, and I want to show you guys where I am. This looks absolutely insane, guys. Now we were walking along there, and then we saw a Canadian goose with chicks literally just staring at us, so we've trying to make our way around it because I want to do like a spirit box session right next to the river, because obviously it's a good conductor. So we're going to do the spirit box, spirit talker, see if we actually pick anything up here, guys. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I will also leave the link for Luke to Explore, for his channel, in the description below, and also I'll leave some information in the description about this place as well, guys. So guys, without further ado, let's go. Okay then guys, so I've had, I don't know if you can see it, I've had Eli, John and Paul. So the first name I got was John, then it was Paul, and if you can see that, you did see it for a moment, John and Paul. And there's a goose there. They can be very nasty, the Canadian geese. So the story goes that someone was fishing, either drowned or something, which is a shame. But I'm going to run the spirit box as well, guys. It's so beautiful here. I want to I thought the geese was going to attack the dog then. Okay. Luke's just gone looking. You what? Yep. Holy cow. Yep, you can see that guy says haunted. Man, oh man. Wow, check this out, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. And it just says John, Paul, Eli and haunted, which it wouldn't surprise me because, you know, I'm not 100% sure what was here in the long run. So I've just had haunted come through. As you can see, guys, look at that. This looks like something out of a movie. I am running, obviously, guys, running the spirit talker. You can get this for your iPhone, obviously for Apple or for Google Play. And just being careful of the geese, of the Canadian geese, because they can be quite nasty. False. What's false? I'm going to go over by these rocks and I'm going to get my spirit box out, and we will see what we can catch on here. I'm going to take some more photos, guys, because this is just an amazing place. And yeah, so if I'm going to go between these rocks here. So guys, yeah, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Do you hear me? I can't. I will do soon. I'm going to put a device on where I'll be able to hear you. Is your name, if your name's John, Paul, Eli, or if there's any one of those names here, I do have a device where you can come through. Sometimes you may not get a lot of responses on here. I will hear you in a sec. I'm going to keep this running, and I'm going to go get the spirit box ready, guys. So guys, I'll be right back. So then guys, I've got the spirit box set up, and what I want you to do is let me know what you hear and timestamp it in the comments. So far I've had John, Paul, Eli, Haunted, False, Did You Hear Me, I'm Family, War and Fort. So let me know if you can hear any of these names, John, Paul or Eli. So I'm about to now run this device. Going to keep this running, so I'll let you know what I capture. There are people about, so there's not really much I can do. Oh, lovely. Who's here with me right now? Is there a John or a Paul here? I just heard Paul and a yes. Did someone drown over here? Feeling? I visit. So do you visit here? Yep, there was a death here. Whose death? Is there an Eli here, or a Paul, or a John? Can you say your name for me? Guys, let me know what you hear. Timestamp in the comments. What's that? Did I just say Eli? Hello? Who's that? Victorian. Guys, I'm gonna have to move in a sec. There is a Canadian goose heading my way. Okay, who's here with me right now? Can you say geese or goose? Creepy, yeah, it is a bit creepy. Creepy, yeah. Is it creepy? I'm going to turn this off now and move on. Is that okay with you? You can come back and talk to me after. Thank you. So that's what I got so far, guys. And you guys let me know what you heard on the necrophonic. Timestamp them for me. I will be adjusting the audio in edit, guys. So I'm not sure where this flipping goose is. I just don't want to get pecked to death. So I'll be right back. Okay then, guys. So I've moved on. I'm going to try another spirit box session. So as I always say, guys, let me know what you hear. Timestamp it for me. If there's anyone here that wants to come forward, say hello. Can you introduce yourself? What's your name? Is there a John, Paul, Eli? I just said my name. Do you need help at all? What did that just say? Hello? What's your name? I just said my name again. Who keeps saying my name? Who am I talking to? nothing on that at the moment. Did take a while to start with. Hello, can you come forward and talk to me on this device as well? My name's Ben, and that's my friend Luke, who I'm with. Just come to visit you. What is it? I just said, what is it? Ah, yes. It's just a device. It's not. None of these devices harm you. Is there a grandfather figure here? Or do you know a grandfather? I said yes. Leg? Did you have a problem with your leg? There's someone called Johnson here. Yeah, heard that was so clear. Are you enjoying yourself? Is this fun that you can talk to me? What I'm going to do, guys, is once I've done the invest, is I'm going to show you around a bit. Show you some of this stunning scenery. Always. Yeah, it's beautiful here. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Do you like it? I hope you like it. It's very beautiful. Can you tell me what swims on? What are those things swimming on the water? That just said duck. The duck. Can you say duck? Nice and clear. Hello? I said hello. Frequent, do you frequent here? Guys, please let me know what you're hearing. Say birdie or pretty? Yeah, it's very pretty. Thank you for talking to me. I appreciate it very much. That just went no problem. Attractive. Attractive. Do you find me attractive? Thank you. Glad you do. Thank you if you do. But this is this place is attractive. Do you find me attractive then? So is there a female here? Oh my God! I just said yes. Can you tell me what that is? What's the camera pointing at? I'm going to call him Donald. Well, thank you very much for talking to me. I very much appreciate it. Can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye for me? I just said bye. Bye, thank you. Rest in peace. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Step back now, please. Bye-bye. Oh, that just said bye-bye. Thank you. Wow, guys. That just said bye-bye. When I said bye-bye, it went bye-bye. Guys, let me know what you heard. Please timestamp them, guys. because it really does help a lot. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take a walk around and just film a little bit of this place so I can show you as well, because this is just an amazing place and you really need to come and check it out. So I'm just going to show you a quick do a quick little tour and obviously take some photos. So guys, I'll be right back. Here we are guys, as I said, I'm just going to show you some of this beautiful area. Some of the ducks. I'm not supposed, is this supposed to happen? But look, that's quite pretty. I don't know if the bridge has like sort of dipped a bit more. I know it's dipped, but I don't know if it's supposed to be like this or what. I have no idea. I think this is the main reservoir, guys. I'm not sure if it was this area it was fishing. Could possibly well be, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, like, because I was near the location anyway doing the spirit box, so they'll still come forward. But look at this, guys, this is absolutely stunning. I just thought, what a better way to end a little investigation, to show you some of the stunning areas of Cannock Chase and the Staffordshire area. It's just absolutely stunning. Yeah, got some ducks there. There's Luke taking some photos. How the heck can they sleep standing up? That's like, never understood that. Yeah. But yeah, as I said, there was someone, I believe, who drowned. I'm not sure if it was over there or the other one, but yeah, this place is amazing, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, as we have. We've got over here. I know, it's a bit, wow, it's a bit of a different colour. What? See that, guys? There's the Canadian geese. Ah, look at that tree, guys. It's a, I believe it's a weeping willow, I believe. But yeah, investigating and exploring, especially in areas like this, guys, it's incredible. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Oop. Please do not feed the ducks. This is due to... Oh, lovely. So if I start quacking like a duck, guys, you know why. It is, yeah. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, guys. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and the notification bell is on. Also, I'll leave the link for my friend's channel, Luke, from Luke to Explore, in the description below. And also, I'll leave a little bit of information of this place in the description as well. So guys, thank you so much. Stay safe and be kind, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.